the article a, an, the. There are only three articles in English: a, an, the. Use of a and an. A and an are used before singular countable noun. Use of a is put before a noun which starts with a consonant. For example, a sheep, a book, a horse. Use of an is used before a noun which starts with a vowel. For example, an umbrella, an elephant, an egg. Use of the is used when we speak about a particular person, place, or thing. For example, the sun, the dancing peacock, the Himalayan mountain. Important note: when we speak about a singular noun for the first time, we use a or an before it. For example, I have a ball, I have an umbrella. Important note: when we speak about the same noun again, we put the before it. For example, the ball is red, the flower is blue. More examples: my papa is an engineer. I saw a cat in the kitchen. A cat drank up all the milk. Our watchman is an honest man. The sun gives us heat and light. Papa will return after an hour. The earth is a planet. I take an apple, a toast, and a cup of milk for breakfast. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.